औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। हमारे सब्जेक्ट का नाम मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजीज़ इन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस है और हम इस वक्त यूनिट नंबर 5 जिसका नाम ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर मैनेजमेंट पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। और ये हमारा बीएड का कोर्स है जिसका नाम कोर्स कोड 8615 है। और ये मैं आपके साथ मोहम्मद सफला खान मुखातिब हूँ। हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी है। तो आइए स्टूडेंट शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे पास इंट्रोडक्शन। Previous unit discussed the concept of management, operational and strategic management, the tools and evaluation techniques regarding management. But in this unit, we will discuss the actions and attitude of individuals and groups towards one another and towards the organization as a whole and its effort on the organization's functions and performance. आगे हमारे पास है इन दिस यूनिट यू विल learn about different management strategies regarding organizational behavior and try to improve your educational settings. आगे हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स इस यूनिट के हैं वो है नंबर 1 नो द कंसेप्ट ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर OB फिर बिहेवियर बेस सिस्टम BBS फिर बिहेवियर चेंज मैनेजमेंट जिसके BCC एंड द बिहेवियर सिस्टम एनालिसिस BSA फिर है नंबर 2 पे अप्लाई द अबव मेंशन्ड मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटजीज इन योर एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस टू सॉल्व द इश्यूज फिर अप्लाई different models of organizational behavior to achieve the desired organizational objectives पे है नंबर 4 पे apply behavior based system behavior change to real world problems पे develop communication strategies to promote positive behavior which are appropriate to your settings आगे नंबर से फिर हमारे पास apply behavior system analysis or performance system analysis to analyze human performance in organizations for the purpose of improving the organizational functions. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास बाकायदा इस चैप्टर का आगाज़ हो रहा है। इसके पहले हम देख रहे हैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर जिसे हम OB से इसको रिप्रेजेंट करें। ये है OB can be divided into 3 levels. Number 1 क्या है micro level, the study of the individual working is in the organizations. The topics covered by micro OB include cognition, decision making, learning, motivation, negotiation, comparison, group process, स्टीरियोटाइपिंग एंड पावर एंड इन्फ्लुएंस। नंबर 2 पे क्या है मेसो लेवल। ये क्या द स्टडी ऑफ वर्किंग ग्रुप्स इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। इट कवर्स द वर्किंग फोर्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मैनेजमेंट ग्रुप एक्सेट्रा। मैक्रो लेवल पे क्या है जी द स्टडी ऑफ हाउ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बिहेव। मैक्रो OB covers organizations as a social system dynamic of change the relationship between the organizations and their environment as well as identify in organizational process how social movements influence markets and the power of social network. आगे स्टूडेंट हमारे पास एकेडमिक फोकस ये क्या है एकेडमिक प्रोग्रेस फोकस्ड ऑन organization behavior are usually found in business school and schools of social work and psychology. They drew from the field of anthropology, ethology and leadership students and use quantitative qualities and compute model as methods to explore the and test items. Depending on the program, one can study specific टॉपिक विद इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर और ब्रॉडर फील्ड। आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है जी गोल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर। इसमें क्या है मोस्ट साइंसेस हैव 4 मेजर थ्रस्ट एंड दीज are also the goals of organizational behavior. The first objective is to describe systematic how people behave under a variety of conditions. Achieving the goals allows managers to communicate about human behavior at work using a common language. आगे है जी हमारे पास elements of organizational behavior. इसमें क्या है? The organizations based rest on management philosophy, view and goals. This is turn drive the organizational culture that is composed of the formal organization, informal organization and the social environment. The culture determines the type of leadership, communication and group dynamics within the organization. The workers perceive this as the quality of work life which direct their degree of motivation. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है फीडबैक. इसमें क्या है? मैनेजर्स कैन नॉट नो देयर एम्प्लॉयज़ डायनेमिक without encouraging communication and feedback from their employees. Their best employees dynamic is the way in which co-workers interact with one another and their managers. फिर है managers can assess the behavioral and organizational status of their workplace by asking employees to approach them when there is problem or by fielding surveys at certain time during the year. Both methods both obtain valuable information about potential problems in the workplace while maintaining the anonymity ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है जी इन्वेस्टिगेशन. ये कि इफ़ेक्टिव मैनेजर्स रिलाई ऑन थ्रू इन्वेस्टिगेशन नॉट वर्ड ऑफ माउथ व्हेन एड्रेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स इन द वर्क प्लेस. फॉर इंस्टेंस एन एम्प्लॉयज़ मे कंप्लेंट टू manage that she faced daily harassment from an other employee in the office. It is responsibility of a manager to monitor the situation and look for signs of harassment. फिर है जी by investigating the allegations you ensure your employees that you are sensitive to their concern. फिर है additionally if you must fire an employee you have proof of the workers wrongdoing in the event of its lawsuit. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है जी prompt action. ये क्या है? promptly responding to organizational and behavior problem is certainly to maintain the thirst and motivation of your employees. If managers failed to report quickly to issues, employees might see this as disrespectful and even of an out of touch management staff. For instance, if employees complain that working in group is ineffective and a waste of their time, managers should quite analyze their organizational problems and provide a solution. If more independence is the answer, managers must say that this directly and promptly to employees. आगे जी हमारे पास है स्टूडेंट्स recognition good deeds or explanatory behavior is another key employees of elements of effective organizational and behavior management. For example, if any employee comes forward and tells a manager that he made a large mistake, and manager should commend the employees for his honesty and given him recognition. This may seem counterintuitive, but it is essential to promote an honest and responsible organization. If an employee knows that he will pushed for a mistake, he is more likely to hide the problem, possibly causing more problem for the business in the future. आगे क्या है पीपल में स्टूडेंट्स क्या है पीपल मेक अप द इंटरनल सोशल सिस्टम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे कंसिस्ट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स and groups and large group as well as small ones. People and living things feel being who create the organizations it exist uh, achieve their objectives. फिर organizations exist serve people do not exist to serve organizations. आगे हमारे पास क्या है structure define the official relationship of people in organization. Different jobs are required to accomplish all an organization activities. There are managers and employees, accountant and assemblies. These people have to be related in some structural way so their work can be effective. The main structure relates to power and to duties. फिर हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स आ रहा है जी mechanistic form of organization. ये क्या it is characterized by high level of complexity, formalization and centralization. A highly mechanistic system is characterized by centralized decision making at the top, a rigid hierarchy of authority, well but narrow defined job responsibilities. आगे हमारे पास है स्टूडेंट और organic form of organization. ये क्या high organic system is characterized by decentralized decision making with which allow people directly involved with the job to make their own decision. Very few level in the hierarchy with the flexibility authority and reporting pattern, loosely defined job responsibilities for members and very few written rules and regulation. It is relatively simple, informal and decentralized. आगे मेरे पास है जॉब डिज़ाइन. ये क्या जॉब्स कैन बी डिज़ाइन टू रैंक फ्रॉम हाईली simple to highly complex task in terms of the use of workers skills. आगे हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स है टेक्नोलॉजी. ये कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैव technologies for transforming inputs and outputs. ये क्या these technologies consist of physical objects, activities and process knowledge, all of which are brought to bear on raw material, labor and capital input during the transformation process period. The core technology is that set of productive components most directly associated with the transformation process period. Technology provides the physical and economic resources with which people work. फिर है जी हमारे पास environment. ये कि all organizations operated within an external environment. A single organization do not exist alone. It is a part of a large system that contains thoughts of other employees. All these mutually influence each other in an organization, in a complex system that becomes the life system of the people. ये क्या models of organizational behavior. फिर क्या autocratic, कोटोडिजल, फिर क्या है सुपररेटिव और फिर क्या कोलिगल. अगर हमारे पास है सोशल सिस्टम, कल्चरल एंड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. ये क्या है सोशल सिस्टम इज़ अ कम्प्लेक्स सेट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप इंटरेक्शन इन मैनी वेज विद एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. द सोशल सिस्टम इंक्लूड ऑल द people in it and their relationship to each other and to the outside world. The behavior of one member can have an impact either directly or indirectly on the behavior of the other. Also, the social system does not have boundaries. It exchanges goods, items, culture, etc. with the environment around. We have students आपके पास पिक्चर आ रही नीचे. इसमें एक्सिस पे आपके पास इंडस्ट्रियलाइज है सेशन है, वाई एक्सिस पे आपका सोशलाइजेशन है, 1 से 10 तक काउंटिंग है, हाई लो से हाई तक है. और ये इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन ऑन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. इसमें ए आइसोलेशन है, बी रेबेलियन है, सी कन्फर्मिटी है, डी क्या है क्रिएटिव इंडिविजुअलिज्म है। आगे स्टूडेंट्स हम चलते हैं, ये क्या है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट। ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट ओ डी इज़ द सिस्टमेटिक application of behavior science knowledge at various levels such as group, intergroup organization, etc. to bring about planted change. It objects are a high quality of work life productivity, adaptability and effectiveness. It accomplishes this by changing attitude, behavior, values, strategies, procedures and structures so the organization can adopt to compete competitive actions. Technology advance and the basic part of change within the environment. आगे वहाँ से organizational change and development in intervention. ये क्या है there are organizational change and development intervention that can have an organization wide impact. Two of the most popular and widely used in intervention are management by objective goal setting and managerial criteria. Both these inventions have common sense appeal to manage and are generally considered with worthwhile endeavors for improving behavior and performance. आगे हमारे पास है मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव। ये क्या है बेनिफिट्स ऑफ MBO। ये क्या है यानी मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इसका मुखफ़फ़ है। द फॉलोइंग आर सम ऑफ द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ MBO प्रोग्राम। वो क्या है इंक्रीज्ड शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग रेंज प्लानिंग। फिर है आ प्रोसीजर फॉर मॉनिटरिंग वर्क प्रोग्राम एंड रिजल्ट्स। फिर इम्प्रूव्ड commitment to organize because of increased motivation, loyalty and participation of employees. आगे क्या हमारे पास है improve communication between supporters and subordinates. फिर and improved organized climate in general that encourage improvement in performance. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास है quality of work life। ये क्या है leave the job as is, but employs only people who like the rigid employees or rote work. Some people do enjoy the security and task support of these kind of jobs. But leave the job as is, but pay the employees more. Mechanize and automate the root jobs and the area that OT loves. फिर क्या रीडिज़ाइन द जॉब। आगे क्या है हमारे पास द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द enhancing job include। ये क्या है ग्रोथ ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल। फिर क्या इंडिविजुअल्स हैज़ बेटर जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन, सेल्फ ऑथराइजेशन ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल। फिर क्या बेटर एम्प्लॉयज परफॉर्मेंस फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। फिर क्या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गेट्स intrinsically motivation employees। फिर less absenting turnover। फिर and grievances for the organization। फिर के full use of human resource for society। फिर के society gain more organization that are effective। आगे हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं एक्शन लर्निंग। ये क्या एक्शन लर्निंग कैन बी व्यू एज अ फॉर्मूला L इज इक्वल टू P प्लस Q। तो इसका मतलब L हमारे पास इज इक्वल टू लर्निंग है अकर ड्यूरिंग द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ प्रोग्रेस्ड नॉलेज जिसे P कहते हैं एंड एबिलिटी टू आस्क इनसाइड क्वेश्चन जिसे हम Q कहते हैं। इसका मतलब L इज इक्वल टू P प्लस Q फॉर्मूला है। आगे क्या है जी बिहेवियर सिस्टम एनालिसिस PSA इसके मुखफ़फ़ ऐसे कहते हैं। बिहेवियर सिस्टम्स analysis focuses on performance improvement in organizations through the method the principle of behavior analysis and system analysis. Behavior analysis is scientifically discipline that students that studies the behavior of individual. Behavior analysis maintain that behaviors what is the product of the individual's interaction with his or his employees, physical employment, social environment, genetic environment and that the history of that interaction. आगे के हमारे पास behavior based satisfactory. Behavior based satisfactory BBS is the application of a science or behavior change to real world problem. It is a process that creates a safety partnership between management and employees that continuously focus people's attention and actions on their and other daily safety behavior. BBS focused on what people do, analyze why they do so it, and then applies a research sport investigation strategy to improve what people do. आगे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास बिहेवियर चेंज कम्युनिकेशन. ये बिहेवियर चेंज कम्युनिकेशन BBC is an interactive process of an invention with individual communicates and social societies as integrated with an overall program to develop communication strategies to promote positive behavior with are appropriate to their setting. This is done providing a sportive environment which will enable people to inside suiting and maintaining positive and describe behavior outcomes. आगे हमारे पास है लिमिटेशंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिहेवियर. ये कि बिहेवियर बाइसेस द लॉज ऑफ डायमेंशनिंग रिटर्न्स इन unethical manipulation of people. Ethical leadership with recognizing such principle as the following: social relationship responsibilities to other arises whatever people have positive, whatever people have power in the ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओपन कम्युनिकेशन. आगे हमारे पास स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 5 इख्तिताम पजीर. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. में तफ़सीफ़ी अमान. गुड लक टू योर फाइनल एग्जाम्स.